All right, yama mu nyina kwa babiem emfamra pepe Sorise channel ne so YouTube. Yeda mase se abrani abebia no mokoso ene yen edi dwuma. Yeni so hwa mokoso na mohwe yen. We are extremely grateful that you keep watching our channel. Thank you so much. If today happens to be the very first day you are watching our video, kindly subscribe to the channel for us. You've been watching us, but you've not taken time to subscribe. Also, Bomotin say over subscribe to your video no. Ade amayen. Say oh subscribe ya enye den. And it doesn't take more data, it doesn't take money or anything. Uhwe video ya bo say subscribe oh. Odo sa emia so pe na akọ subscribed. Na say wonso oba beka abusuako no. Eti odo sa emia so na subscribed. Na say oba beka channel no. Enim say mba ye sa ade amayen. Bomo dey so subscribe na video no so wa share ama foforo enso enya bi ahwe. If you have any comment, comment section now they are trust here. Ensure that your comments any abusive, any insulting. Your comments, any derogatory. If it's a fine comment, we allow other people to come and read it. But if you come now, we did the banner, we attack here. We have a responsibility to keep the channel very, very clean and devoid of insult and abusive language. I catch them say, oh, starting message natural massa. I don't understand why people in 2025, that's how you feel to. Even you may disagree with me, it is normal. So it is possible you disagree with me. But state your disagreement without sounding insulting, abusive, or derogatory. Massa, when you start like that, you know you are not going well. Maybe I disagree with you. I think that my late father always used to tell me, say, I go see for you, say, the fact that you don't agree with me means I don't also agree with you. And it ends there. What I say? Yanko yedim. Yedin sempi ena ede eba. And some na yede ebra no. Memfantuga. Sa Sante Kotoko. Omo aje the FA Cup. And so Kotoko are champions of the FA Cup. Now the controversies of the FA Cup win no. And so ayen se no bebrebe. Krobia Sante Kotoko echirima. Omaje 11. Ghana Football Association echirima. Kotoko aje 10. Now, as some say, the organizers of the FA Cup, the GFA, or no say Kotoko aje 10. Kotoko say WWE, aje 11. Yenim, what happened when Kotoko defeated Artifuk? Na has a protest with Asante Kotoko. According to Asante Kotoko company Fubi, I'm in Omadin, almost WWE. Or no man, a day like Artifuk, a shell. Emma Mukoye protest, almost Koye appeal, a winnie. In fact, that issue, we expanded because we know because a GFA for no, or more delete, starts on the buying about you'll be agent, GFA net delete. Because this thing should be tackled once and for all. It's same as the league titles, number of league titles. The GFA ought to come clear. They are the organizers, back it with evidence, and declare same. Nothing emphasize controversy, emphasize and to be once and for all. So Kotoko Aji the FA Cup. According to Kotoko, it is their 11th FA Cup. And according to GFA, it is the 10th. What I say. Now, Asante Kotoko, no matter what it is, onum enya Aji Cup no edi. And no, and the most important thing, Kotoko, Aji FA Cup. And no, and season so abewi unse the FA Cup is the last official game that is played to draw down the curtains on each season. So the 2024-2025 Ghana Premier League season, abrewi officially. Abrewi na HSA Krobia Asante Kotoko. Empenyifo wonum ebekọ Krura ho, ombekọ Asante Hene ho, ombekọ Benhia. No omukọ you go and render accounts of your stewardship What I say? Yɛde adwuma no de ama wo nti wobɛba na waba bɛkyerɛ na yɛ na ɛnkade no difference kakra wɔ mu. Difference no wɔ mu sɛ ebi anka kɔtɔkɔ no ɛwɔ board of directors na kɔtɔkɔ no ɛsan so ɛwɔ CEO. Eti keduru sɛ a the CEO de abasobɔ no anaasɛ CEO no de accounts ɔbɛkɔ akɔrenda accounts to the board of directors. Na board of directors no leadi akɔhyia kurowura. But say deɛ kɔtɔkɔ structure no, it is the IMC working directly under the supervision of Menhyia. And for that matter, IMC no agye anayabo season awie no, they go to Menhyia na wɔnom the report de akɔma kurowura Santehene Timura. They will go and explain season is the sequel ni bibia na afei mpanyinfo nso de deɛ de abɔ. Yɛde ka aka kyerɛ sɛ ɔpanyin edue matemante. Ɔpanyini edue matemante. The fact that ɛyɛ obi anim sɛm sɛ kɔtɔkɔ agye FA Cup kɔtɔkɔ di third ɛwɔ league no so ɛne nneɛma esi season ni nyinaa no ɛnkyerɛ sɛ sɛ yɛde adwuma gya wa na afe no kɔ na wie yɛ a onsa ma ɛmɛkyerɛkyerɛ na wafa sɛ obi ate daabi. Ebuo kwa so yɛnyɛ ne saa. Na mpanyinfo sɛ wonim amammerɛ a wonsa amammerɛ. Wonim amammerɛ a wonsa amammerɛ. Na Penkran Kwesi Awuwa ɔyɛ chairman ɛde ma Asante Kɔtɔkɔ management no. Ɔyɛ Menhyia de hye kronkron. Wɔno ɛna kontompo kuro no. Wɔno ɛyɛ ɔhene ɔda no ti kontompo ni afɛre hene no. Na ɔda otumfo akoma so yie paa. Enti nana enim amammerɛ na wonsa amammerɛ nti. Nana will lead Asante Kɔtɔkɔ team no, the management, the supporters, the playing body, the technical team, the media. Na ɔnom akɔhyia ɔpemsoɔ yɛ Asantehene. Na afei wɔnom de season sɛ de si kɔɛ no de ato mpanyinfo ani. Wɔnom awie a na afei mpanyini nso de deɛ ɔwɔ de abɔ Asante Kɔtɔkɔ. Now Kɔtɔkɔ, after winning the FA Cup, returned to Kumasi on Monday. The team returned to Kumasi on Monday after spending more than a week in Accra. Kɔtɔkɔ efiri Kumasi last week Saturday. Ɛna ɔmo kɔbɔ Vision FC. Ɔmo yɛ na ɔmo stay ɛwɔ Eastern region. Aburi prepare ya de kɔbɔ game no. It is Saturday samba yi na ɔtwe no. Kwesi Adabɛtɔ so no na ayɛ na ɔtwe ɛne da baako. Ɛna ne dwoada wɔn esi mu efiri nkan. Ɛba ebiduru yɛ ɛwɔ their base. Now mmeranteɛ no bɛduru yɛ no. Yes, unofficially they are not in camp as in being in camp, but of course one more in go to omo mfiri dan omo de dem ewo omo hostel but ebia wo rounds bi apesa o ya it's as a training any ho nya de a ochena Tuesday recovery session e beba so na Wednesday training aba so season abana wi. But of course Asante Kɔtɔkɔ company for at the club no akwa ewo Menhyia. Ma memfa asɛm wei nto anim sɛ mɛkɔ bi yɛnkɔ no kwa ɛna nyɛ sɛ wotena mu a na atu Menhyia Palace no sɛbe yɛnkɔ hɔ kwa wote ase yɛnkɔ hɔ kwa. The fact that otumfo ɛyɛ the owner and life patron of Asante Kɔtɔkɔ ɛnkyɛ sɛ ɛne nti Kɔtɔkɔ ɛwɔ 24-hour access to the palace anytime you go there dabi mesɛ na Penkran no mpanyina ka to dada sɛ wonim amammerɛ a wonsa amammerɛ and wopɛ sɛ wokɔ Menhyia na wokɔhyia ɔpem so a kwan no ɛda hɔ. So you first contact the chief of staff. The chief of staff no book appointment. Then chief of staff will schedule appointment within the already established appointments or that. I feel you busy. Opem so you busy. We are human be more mining na. The human apart from so yes Santehene no. Or ye human the mining na. Enti as you share the schedule that down no. Na as a chief of staff the wa also ba no de aka ho no programming then ne abom panyini amane se na be awoba e meye mfumu se wafumu bi dabi na se bana wo ba no panyini enim. So Nana Penkran right after Kɔtɔkɔ won the FA Cup and o place the call no to the chief of staff. And then Asante Kotoko on Monday, afi nana on ifrin kran bench no na eno enka wo Tuesday, Wednesday, na mpanyini ehwe kwan so mbetimi awuram na omo ababe pie mu ewo Menchia Palace. And the chief of staff together with the authorities at Menchia Palace Emma Asante Kotoko bushoko ne tiase say Tuesday and the day that they can meet His Royal Majesty. Tuesday, any the day they will meet His Royal Majesty. Tuesday, I'm going to say 17th, and then any da Kotoko Asia, and I say Santiago playing body, technical team, management, supporters, Ekwakoshia open so. Wednesday, and I say Juedino, I be basso. Wednesday, and I say Juedino, I be basso. Now, my main fan to just say, Adiaba kwa Santehene ede ehwahwa no pa eye ne Sante Kotoko no ode hwahwa no ntina mre bi okachom se Kotoko yinkwa na efi se mbedi akonwa yi ase ma me no nyama me Kotoko yinkwa now ode ono ane de hye na ato ano a omo eye oma GFA Cup no ama Kotoko ticket ode kwa kopiem o CAF Confederations Cup eno nti Asante Kotoko winning the FA Cup is not just a ticket or the trophy that they won, but the fact that Kotoko, as we speak, we no abuku the ticket or the room or the CAF Confederations Cup. Now our CAF Confederations Cup. And no what it is. I don't want some at the Emma. Mammy from Tuga say we a reporter. Yanya Peke, People's Rise Media. So Sante Kotoko, room, Menchia said the media cano, medical cano. One echo bomb mama near. Wonom de omo nantese ebetudwa na afei ehun enoma bi ewo biara na omaka. We are hearing and picking reports say the IMC of Asante Kotoko, who said the IMC is standing for Interim Management Committee. Now they've acted for 2 seasons. 2 seasons in here. And now the IMC acted with Nana Pinkra as a chairman. Pacho nyame ya dum na Kotoko ekuhia opemso. Na otese the IMC enya full confirmation. Don't be surprised. Kaise Pepe aboso edi achrew. If you hear, say the Asantehene has confirmed Nana Penkra Kosiewa, James Kwesi Appiah, any omo maka say omunye Asante Kotoko adwuma no for a 3-year period. Don't be surprised. Don't be surprised. What another? Yami mati and say kakra Nana Penkra Kosiewa aye James Kwesi Appiah. And say lawyer Safoduku abeka. Then Minia Richard Akoto Kaiso Mosha na Prosperity Ubu Ekamu as the IMC and I know already din at the Imano Newton Dasuberi. And in the part Bebriaka, one of Aye Jumano as management no. Your Maya no Adia a saw open to any. Now Esa say they are still in their acting capacity in Tino. A beer na Nana Penkanti aye. They are confirming as the full management of Asante Kotoko. And once they are confirmed, a period of 3 years will be allocated to them. 3 years will be allocated to them. We take you from the previous appointment, Abba Asante Kotoko. Kowechia, both Dr. Keke Sapon, 3 years. Lord Pukunchi, 3 years. Dr. Kwame Chi, 3 years as executive chairman. Then Dr. Kwame Chi as the board chair, and then Nana Mponsa as the CEO, 3 years. And Nana Penkraba interim basis, we earn a second year. If per what we are picking, the reports we are picking, the appointment, one appointment here confirmed that, then it is likely they will last for 3 years, not 5 years. Now, put him say, Asante Kotoko, everything that happens at the club, the life patron, the owner of the club, Asante, is giving briefing. Just last week, I told you, last week, Yamikacho said, management echo Menchia and come Menchia. Now about recruitment budget, now about budget for Africa, now about the preseason plan and the budget. All of those things were discussed. And then and as enra Monday lawyer Safuduku a confirm sa Asante Kotoko bo boku no say opemso fully and all funded na ade and because of opemso e funded team ni briefing echo constant briefing frequent update echo edemano nti we e ba kwa ye apeke se Kotoko e the trophy FA Cup trophy ne ekupiem e o manhia one of the few things a bit me ba apra and say the IMC may get permanent appointment, and that when that is done, a 3-year period, and the member say, "Warum emfanya Asante Kotoko ejuma." Mamin troso, I will mention our introduction of Asante Kotoko, permanent coach for the season. Hebebaso, I will mention one Kotoko do visit mention, and that coach, a coach at the team, a day Abdul Karim Zito. So, Sekotoko Eko PM, I will mention Palace. No mo kosi opem so the FA Cup trophy ne kwa enkomodie mu no Nana Penkra Kosiewa or whoever will be elected as the spokesperson for the visiting Kotoko team ebe introduce coach Abdul Karim Zito e de akere opem so season e shase no na Asante Kotoko head coach Prosper Ogum season e shase now Prosper Ogum had to uh, uh, to be laid off. He had to be sacked, mutual consent at a point, and then legend Karim Zito be replaced. Until officially, when the club Kotoko share the live patron, say introduction never cost. Na ho and Asante Kotoko and penny for the top so you just say or not any day technical side no a day assurance. Minia Hamza Obey appointed as assistant coach. The Imam Hamza Swansa. Say you appointed Karim Zito no and penny for appointed a Ikano Prince ya Owusu. It also a samba na wenya opportunity any to be introduced to him. So then Hamza Obey was appointed last week. He was part of the technical team on supervising a GFA Cup. He will also be appointed. All of this ever happened. That was the Menchia Palace. Afei na Asante ko abɔ mama na yawie no. Enhyira yeah, playing body, technical team, management, supporters, and then St. John for any opportunity ewura no. And so ebeji nhyira e dey free open so ensano. Makacha said that royal handshake. Some of those are ever top so nsayem no achia no. It doesn't come by chance. You will be on your opportunity. You are take opportunity. Whoever gets that opportunity takes the opportunity very well. Makacha mta me media chira kobi. Makasi mo is I true. Me kobi. Na me kobi a. I'll meander my way and maneuver my way to get that handshake with His Royal Majesty. Nya wi a bo se cheduma se piaso kronte busua de hyekonkron Richard Kwaku se champo Pepe Suarez. Nso mbo se me so me okopa. Eti eno ba kwa me de tuja so we the expected visit to menshia and me twa ho emfonyini e de achew no. Eti team no abedu Kumasi nada. Na Tuesday no omo anya clearance say Tuesday on between akwa kopiem e o menshia rather e be Wednesday no mo kwa playing body ni nyina abekọ but new players akotoko e sign no bi anko obi new players akotoko e de omo ba obi ani obesi obi na bi nemom the old players na esi akan no no mo gi trophy no the management no the technical team no any supporters in paying for on say opemzo on for supporters in paying for any agro one group am ye film the old players. Yes, I know say anytime I kotoko sitting bia no the old players edimutintimai so two bodies are opemzo emfo ni agro Asante Kotoko supporters and if Asante Kotoko old players mo na mo boy mo na mo gi team esi mo na mo gi team aye enti mo adwen kire ne say Yanko ne say, Yanyan is saying, no more about Ediaba. Kotoko, even this current IMC, no, our form here, no, na old place, a dimutintima yipa, bra, one equipi ho, na open so, it be a kotoko woman at a chow, no busa, was a moon said in missing team and for mamma. Not one any supporters, and penny at two at the amount. So we, the visit that is going to happen. Na FA Cup no akwa pim ewo open so of course asante ko company for any say one trophy a omo di wuram ewo manhia a ebema otumfo ni Japan the CAF Confederations Cup mo ko na African trophy eno na kotko GB ache the last time akotko eje Africa some people were not born a lot of people I know di boy chini enwo wo ache papa over 4 decades ago. Over 4 decades ago. And into the aim. And it's a build a unit very strong enough to go to Africa and go and challenge for the CAF Confederations Cup. Into Asante company for Eguso. Yeah, one in terms of recruitment, and then adding up to the technical team, even the management team. But as a management, our plan. So I add some positions to the management team, but that is dependent on the fact that confirmation. If they are confirmed, they will appoint more people and run the club the way a modern football you running no. Na fi omo edisa royal touch no so e aka ho a. Eno e kakra me picky na mje won sem na e de ema. Me patcho say unsubscribe to Pepe Soy channel na. Subscribe e fama misisi e. Hwe e free sabre ya akosi August a league e be hya. Trust this network. All transfers. All thank you so much for always watching our channel. We are grateful that you continue to watch us. May the Almighty God be with us all. God bless you.